A bold business strategy? Tomorrow, President Obama will nominate not a military leader, not a health expert, but a former Procter & Gamble CEO to lead the VA out of its entangled mess. Bob McDonald, an unexpected choice. 9 on Your Side reporter Amy Wattis is live with reaction and insight into this pick. Amy?
Well, Julie, if confirmed by the Senate, Bob McDonald would succeed Eric Shinseki. Now, he's the retired 4-star general who resigned last month as the scope of the issues at veterans hospitals came to light. 61-year-old Bob McDonald worked at Procter & Gamble for 33 years. For 4 years, he was CEO, and now he has a shot at becoming Veterans Secretary in Washington, D.C. WCPO business reporter Dan Monk says he's the perfect fit for the job.
So his career has really been shaped, and his leadership style has really been shaped by his experience at West Point. And the people that work with him say that he's a very values-driven, approachable, and fair-minded leader who really cares about developing the staff below him and really making the most of an organization by helping people achieve in that organization.
Procter & Gamble CEO A.G. Lofley couldn't agree more. He said, quote, "Following his military service and a distinguished career spanning 3 decades at P&G, we congratulate Bob McDonald on his appointment to this critically important position of leading U.S. Veterans Affairs. We wish him every success for the future," end quote. The VA has been under intense scrutiny in recent months after there were reports of patients dying while waiting for appointments and treatment delays in VA facilities nationwide. Ohio Senator Rob Portman says it's going to be a tough job, but has faith McDonald can help fix the system. He said, quote, "I've met with veterans from all over Ohio over the past several weeks and received their input on how best to fix the VA. I plan to share their views with Bob during his confirmation, which I plan to support," end quote.
This is something that he has been known to be good at P&G. He's very adept at running a very complex organization, and the people that know him pretty well think this is why he's a great choice for the job.
Now, of course, if selected, McDonald will be serving some 8 million veterans a year. Now, of course, we will be following this story for you tomorrow. Amy Wattis, 9 on Your Side, live from Mount Adams.
And our thanks to Dan Monk, too. Thank you. Dan Monk talked with those who formerly worked with McDonald, and now on WCPO.com, read how they describe former P&G chief's leadership style.